You open up your application, then you go where you want to send, open up your send. Instead of opening gallery, you go to documents. You use documents if you want to send large files. So you open up your documents, you go where is your video, your PDF, your picture, whatever you want to send. You send them as documents, not as gallery or pictures. You send them as documents. They will go as large as 1 gig to 2 gig only. That's all. You see, this is 205 megabytes. You send it. That's all.